Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use templates in Splice. Splice is a versatile mobile video editing app that helps you create professional quality video right from your phone. While it does not have official pre-made templates like some other apps, you can create template-style project by using your favorite edits, transitions, text styles or the overlays. This approach lets you save time and maintain a consistent style across multiple videos, perfect for the social media slideshows. Open to your Splice here and you can go to your drafts, or you can also create a new project, as I'm going to select one of the draft here. So over here what you can do is you can add to your overlays here, go to your library, you can also select your clip, and you can also go to your effects on the bottom right and find this transition as well, and you'll find all of this transition text stickers are the filters to create the look you want. Apply the effects as well, and that is it. And even without official templates, Splice let you use your favorite edits to create consistent polished videos quickly by building a template style project and duplicating it for the new video, and you save time while maintaining professional quality editing. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and if you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.